Hey guys, it's me, Strictly9to5 here, and today I'll be teaching you how to make Ayaka in an AI art engine. The engine we are using today is NovelAI, but really you can use any engine and it'll all work fine. All the things I teach you can be transferred knowledge as well. And towards the end of this video, I'll also be teaching you how to take these prompts and knowledge that you create to use it on another character that you really like and export it. Say Jean, which we talked about previously in another video. We're able to use Ayaka to make a similar image for Jean. I'll be teaching you this towards the end. But these are the basic prompts for Ayaka. Really, you want to have white hair for Ayaka. You just key in Ayaka Genshin Impact. And most likely, she's going to be more or less generated pretty well because it's a very popular character. So here I just have some prompts of a red kimono Sakura theme. I've talked about this more in the Raiden Shogun video on the exact prompts you want, but here I'm also showing how quickly it is. Once you learn the information that I'm teaching you, you can just replicate this and create very beautiful images across the different characters as long as you know what to type in. Now we're just going to go into an office setting, which I haven't done so far yet on this channel, and showing you how to really create this kind of office girl outfit attire. And the secret that I like to do is actually using a pencil skirt to give that office white and black kind of office attire for most of these characters. And do let me know if you guys like these photos and you want them as well. I'm okay with distributing them. Just let me know in the comments below. Maybe if there's enough demand, I might create some place that you guys can download this content as well. Other than that, if you're finding value in this content so far, do like and subscribe to this channel. And now let's get back into more commentary. So right here, after I get a image that I really like, I actually get variations of the image like we see here. For example, if you really like an image, get variations to try to perfect the image to be something that you really want. For example, I really like this image here of Ayaka standing in a very dramatic scenario. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be actually importing the metadata to Jean as well, so that I can get more copies of this image, which is very special in a sense compared to the other images that we are seeing, which is quite bland so far. It's more dramatic with that oomph vibe as well. So here, you just keep going through the same things, keying in the certain prompts for Jean, which we talked about in the previous video already, but I'm just doing the lessons that we have learned for other characters. You can do this for really any character as long as you get the prompts right, and it's very easily transferable. Of course, it does cost a little bit of generation power. In NovelAI's terms, it's endless, but you really get really nice photos that you can keep in your collection as well, and this is an example of one of them. And if you've been finding value in this video so far, do like and subscribe. I'll be making more content for other Genshin characters and other characters in the game as well. I've done plenty of AI art videos already, as well as how to start your own AI art business. I'll link it right here, and thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.